Hello guys, on today's news we have from Adekunle and Olamide clashing on Twitter as they unfollowed each other. Popular singer Adekunle Kosoko, simply known as Adekunle Gold, had a fallout with one of his fans named Olamide after getting the rare privilege of Adekunle following his Twitter account. Trouble ensued after Olamide laid pointers to the fact that the singer following him on Twitter does not mean he can argue with him. Replying to the tweet, Adekunle Gold said he has unfollowed him so that he can argue more now. Do you think the singer went too far? This is what Yoruba people call, and we repeat, have it, let me rest. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below.